In this Crypto.com DeFi wallet review, I'll share my experience. All product links are in the description below. The Crypto.com DeFi wallet is a non-custodial, decentralized wallet for users wanting full control over their digital assets with the flexibility of mobile. Unlike the Crypto.com app, this wallet lets you manage your private keys for greater security and independence. It's perfect for holding diverse cryptocurrencies and easily accessing DeFi platforms. A key feature is its multi-blockchain support for thousands of tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many ERC20 tokens. This makes it ideal for diverse crypto portfolios. Seamlessly integrate with the Crypto.com ecosystem, connect with the app and exchange for easy transfers while retaining asset custody. The in-app swap offers competitive rates without moving funds to an exchange. Setup was quick and easy. It guides you through private key creation and backing up your 12-word recovery phrase, essential for wallet recovery. The interface is clean and intuitive, simplifying crypto management even for beginners. The built-in DApp browser makes accessing DeFi services and NFT platforms smooth, particularly for staking, swapping, and exploring DeFi. This wallet is great for anyone wanting a decentralized experience within the Crypto.com ecosystem. Whether you're a DeFi enthusiast, an investor seeking a secure multi-asset wallet, or interested in NFTs, the Crypto.com DeFi wallet has you covered. Biometric and two-factor authentication enhance security and peace of mind. Overall, the Crypto.com DeFi wallet powerfully combines security, accessibility, and DeFi integration, making it a solid choice for managing crypto assets efficiently.